Do you want to sit there and expect something, or do you want to put your relaxation and your gratitude for life first, and you feel that first? Once you make that realization, you're unstoppable. You are unstoppable once you make that realization. And I mean that from experience. Okay, so let's start with what meditation should be, and what meditation should mean to you in your interpretation when you sit down to meditate. What we are trying to achieve when we meditate is to sit there with only ourselves and raise our vibration and energy without any external input. And it's as simple as that. It's, can you sit there with your eyes closed and relax your own body and make yourself feel a higher state from your awareness alone? That is the goal with meditation. So if we break it down to that, then let's come at it from a place where many people come at meditation. They'll sit down and they will really want to achieve something. They will really want to feel a certain way. But most of the time, at the same time, they don't particularly want to be sitting there at the same time. And I know this from speaking to people. So the way to make this work for us is that we need to lower the volume on requiring something outside of ourselves to raise our excitement, first of all. It's going to be very difficult for you to sit down and practice raising your vibration within yourself if all you're familiar with is getting excitement from external stimuli. So that's number one. You cannot have so many addictions and so many highly stimulating things that you're addicted to, like even junk food and things like that. Like, you could be sitting there wishing you were eating a takeaway or a chocolate bar, if that makes sense, because you are so used to getting your stimulation from something outside of yourself that it doesn't make sense for you to sit down and get it from yourself. So, number one, when you go to meditate, you need to relax. And I know you've heard this a million times before, but it's true. It's more true than anything. You have to relax. And the reason for this is your brain is going to be in a highly active, trying to work things out, analytical kind of mode when you sit down. And there's no way to get past that through thought. So you need to relax your body and yourself before anything, just to where you feel a bit better and you... It's nice just to be here and just to sit here. That's it. That's all that you need. You just need to feel that. Nothing magical. You just need to relax yourself. Now, number two, I personally do two different types of meditation. So I do, usually in the evening, I'll do a meditation which is more where I just focus on feeling good feelings within my body and feeling as alive as I can from inside. And that's it. I'm not thinking of anything positive. I'm thinking of feeling the good feelings inside my body and sitting there. Now, when you're new to this, you're probably going to struggle with getting bored and wanting to get up. But if you stick with this and if it's important to you that you feel something inside yourself that you can't get from outside yourself, you'll start to notice that you can sit there once you've relaxed yourself down and you can feel some incredible feelings inside your body. You'll start to notice that, and you'll start to pay attention to that. You'll start to pay attention to the feelings, just how your body feels. How it's so amazing just to be alive and to be sitting in this place meditating, and it doesn't rely on anything. And guess what? The more you do this, the more you will want to just do it for long periods of time without even an ounce of boredom. So the second kind of meditation that I do is a type of meditation. I'll usually do this one in the morning, and this one is less focused on just feeling good feelings, and this one is more focused on being grateful for where I'm headed in my life. So you could say it's a bit more of a gratitude visualization meditation. And these types of meditations are, I find, also very, very important, because, and especially doing them in the morning, because this is the main reason why. This is the main, most important reason why. Because if you can get your focus in the morning on what you need to do in that day to move yourself forward, and be grateful already that you are moving forward and you will be moving forward, that will stop you from seeking out instant gratification and will keep you on your path. So what do I mean by that? What I mean is, if you hadn't have done that meditation where you got so intensely grateful in the morning for your abundance and for where you're headed in your life, if you hadn't have done that on your 20 minutes or whatever in the morning, there is a higher probability that you would have resorted to something pleasurable in your day that would not benefit you in the long run. Because if you don't feel that you're headed on your path, then your only other option is to make yourself feel good right now. So it makes sense that you're going to fall off the wagon or to come off of the path that you know you're supposed to be on. It's a daily thing that you remind yourself every day of where you're headed and where you are now, and that you are on that path. It's a daily practice. It won't happen for you. It's feeling who I am at the start of my day. What is the greatest expression of myself that I can be today? Something that Dr. Joe Dispenza would say, if you know of Dr. Joe Dispenza. What is the greatest expression of myself that I can be today? I'm doing that every morning. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the page, because I'm going to be putting a lot more of this content out. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.